Lisa Montgomery's life reads like a study in failure, of family, of community, of law. Born into trafficking and sustained sexual violence, she was sold by her mother and raped by her stepfather from childhood into adulthood. Diagnosed later with severe mental illness, including psychosis and complex PTSD from decades of documented trauma, she lived with fractured reality and relentless fear. In December 2004, Lisa committed a horrific crime. She strangled Bobby Joe Stinnett in Missouri and cut the baby from her womb. The infant survived, Stinnett did not. Federal prosecutors charged Lisa with kidnapping, resulting in death. At trial, she was convicted and sentenced to death. The evidence of guilt was powerful. The conviction reflected that fact. What the trial did not fully illuminate was the life that produced her. Mental health experts who examined Lisa concluded she lacked a rational understanding of what execution meant. Her attorneys sought a competency evaluation prior to execution. Courts denied the request. Despite a federal moratorium and a pandemic, the administration in its final days scheduled her death. On January 13, 2021, she became the first woman executed by the federal government in nearly 70 years. Legal scholars, psychiatrists, and human rights advocates argued she should have been hospitalized, not executed. They emphasized that punishment without treatment ignores causation and risks repeating injustice. Critics observed that the criminal justice system treated the symptom one horrific act without accounting for decades of abuse that shaped a damaged mind. The case forces a hard question. How should a society balance accountability with compassion when the offender is also a survivor? Subscribe to Case Files TV, The System Failed. This episode examines the intersections of trauma, law, and ethics, urging viewers to confront structural failures that allow such tragedies to occur and demand reform now.